Traders, September 6, 2018. It's after the market close. It's a Thursday. Going to provide a trading report update on RXMD. My previous posting, I stated that there was a bottom around here, around this level after this day. As you can see, it trailed sideways, still above support, then popped today. She's up about a little over 9% for the day, closed at 0.07285. Her high was 0.08 for the day, 8 cents. She does look like she's heading higher. She'll either explode coming tomorrow, Friday, or she could also, take some time. I would say maybe 2 months from now, she could start heading higher. But this is the lowest point. I really don't think she's going to break under 6 cents a share. So individuals that got in within the time frame of when I say it's a bottom, kudos to you. These prices are still considered low at 7.5 cents or so. The resistance over here is about 10 cents. Then after that we have another resistance following around a quarter. But it's a little too early to tell if she'll break a quarter. Our target price right now is, I would say, about 22 cents a share. But if she does break a quarter, we could see something spectacular. But it's too far-fetched as of right now. The whole thing is she's consolidating, and the consolidation does look healthy. She can continue trading sideways, in my honest belief, for about a month or 2 months before she heads higher. But this is her bottom, so keep an eye on her. I don't think she's going to break below 6 cents. If anything, I think she'll break 10 cents first, and will never retract back down to 6. So keep your eyes on RXMD. I think this is a solid position if you get in early and sit and wait with her. This is probably more of a position trade than a swing trade. But, we have reversal play, and she could pop as early as tomorrow. But I would expect her to make her move in about 2 to 3 months. So keep your eyes on RXMD. And if you want to follow me, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. You can visit my site if you want to take up an upcoming live trading course with me. The site's thetradingteacher.com. And once again, my name is Zellman. Have a great evening.